Hello guys, so after you have successfully created your account, the next step is to install your plugins. But let me walk you guys through the whole setups that you're going to be doing so that you can better understand your account. So let's go to the desktop site. So here is your dashboard. This, as you can see, this blue thing is in dashboard. So your dashboard shows you about all the information in your website. Probably if you have any alert, any notification, any warnings, your site health, and probably you uninstalled a plugin or installed a plugin. So the information we quickly display here. So always check your dashboard to know what's happening to your account. Then updates. So the update section tells you about all the plugins that needs to be updated. So if there is any plugin that is outdated, or any theme that is outdated, you can easily check it here and update it. Then the next is your posts. So you can use posts to create posts, as the name suggests. So by post I mean like blog posts, or yes, blog post. So blog post for all these bloggers. So you can easily create blog posts that that passes information. Probably someone like let me not mention names, but you know all these big bloggers that are blogging, so you can easily blog like them. Just find a nice post, maybe write about football or gist or trending, all this trending stuff, or all these gossips. You can easily write about them and publish them using the post section. So you can also add them to categories and also tag them. Next is media. So go to your media library. So this is where you are going to see all the images that have been uploaded to your website. So if you upload any image to use for your designs, you can easily access the images here. You can click the add new here to quickly add a new image, or the add new here to add a new image. Then go to page. The page shows you all the pages that have been created on your site. So it shows you all the pages that has been created on your site. So these are some of the pages. The default page. This is your privacy policy sample page. So you can easily add let's say your refunds page, your return policy page, your terms and conditions page. This page are essential if you are going to be doing Google Ads, and if you are going to own a WooCommerce, that's you are going to be selling products like bags, shoes, etc. Because Google needs to know that you have all these pages in check before they can approve you as an entity to perform trading with them. So you can also come to this section. This section is for comments. So if someone comments on your post, you can easily see their comments here and moderate it. You can approve it, unapprove it, delete it, edit it, and do whatever you want with it. Then come to appearance. Appearance here, these are the options: themes, customize, widget, menu, header, background, storefront, theme file editor. So if you click on themes, it will take you to the themes that have been installed on your site. So you can easily customize them from here, or you can click on this add new to add new themes to your site. If you click on this customize, if you click on this customize, it will take you to the customizer, where you can easily customize your site. For widget, you can add new widgets. Also menus, you can add new menus. Also header, if you click on this header, you can edit your header. I'll be showing you all this in the next tutorial on how to edit your website, so don't worry about it. Background, the same thing. Storefront, theme file editor. Theme file editor is for experts, people that can code. So if you're not good with code, please don't come here, or else you will mess up your site and there is no going back. So just quickly head back if you eventually find yourself there. Okay, so the next thing is plugins. Yes, plugins. So you can use the plugins. You can come to plugins to install new plugins. Here you can see all the already installed plugins. So you can click on add new to install new plugin. You can also click on, once you are in plugin, you can also click on upload plugin to upload a new plugin. Should in case you don't find what you're looking for here, you can download this from a website somewhere else and upload it directly to your site here. Users, here you can add new users to your website. Probably you want someone to edit something for you, or you have a friend that you want to give access to your website. You can easily add that person up here. So once you add that person, just be careful. You can choose the role to give to that person. Let us try it out. As you can see, you can enter the username is required. Email, that's the email of that person. That person will provide his or her email. First name is optional. Last name is optional. Website is optional. sorry about that. Website is optional. As for password, this is an auto suggest password. You can edit the password to an easier password that the person will easily remember. Then send a new user an email about their account. So here you can choose the function of the user, either as a subscriber, a contributor, author, editor, or administrator. Please, for no reason should you give someone an administrator unless you seriously trust that person. Unless he or she is a relative of yours and you totally trust that person. Administrator gives the person the same right and access as the store owner, that's as you. So he can easily kick you out and change the password and makes the site his or hers. So please don't give someone an administrator access. Instead, give that person an editor. So an editor that can edit anything on your site but can't go to the administration part. Author can just comment on posts and other stuffs. Then contributor can make some minor contributions. That's the list post here. So you can also come to tools. Tools here, there you can see any available tools that are present on your site. You can use this import to import some data. Let's say you have an existing WordPress site, so you can use this tool to install this plugin here. If you install this plugin, yes, this WordPress plugin, you can use it to import stuffs from your previous WordPress site. So you can import posts, pages, comments, categories, and other stuffs. You can also use the export function to export your site details so that someone can import it into theirs if you want to help each other out. Then site health tells you about your site health. As you can see, is calculating my results. Yeah, my site is good. Status is good. But they have 3 recommendations. You should remove inactive plugins. You should remove inactive themes, and your website does not use HTTPS. I'll teach you how to encrypt your website with HTTPS and SSL. So don't worry about that. So there are minor suggestions, but you can take action. So you can also come to settings. Here you can see some settings like general settings. You can choose your site name here, your tagline. So for tagline, you might write I'm an expert affiliate marketer. I'm an expert affiliate marketer. So this is what we show. This is what will be showing on your site once someone visits your site. Then, as you can see, everything is okay. Save changes. For writing, everything is okay. Leave as it is. Reading, everything is okay. Leave as it is. If there are any changes, I will show you along the way. So media, permalinks, privacy policy, discussion, everything is okay. No need of tweaking anything there. Just leave as it is. For no reason should you change your permalink settings. If you are to change this, make sure it is the first thing you change when you created your site, or else it will affect all of your files. If you have started creating posts or pages and later changes at a later date, your file will corrupt and your site will be messed up. So don't even bother changing it. It is already in its best setting for now. So privacy, there's nothing to see there. So this just shows you the page that your site is using for your privacy settings. As you can see, it is using the privacy policy page, which is the best option. So with this, I'm sure you will now have a brief understanding about your sites, the navigations and stuffs. So you can quickly click on this home logo here and click on visit site, so that it will take you to your site. So this is our site and this is how it looks like. As you can see, it's still empty. We have not yet edited anything. All right, thank you for watching. Peace out.